Hi friends, Hindustan Aeronautics Limited HAL given a recruitment advertisement for the selection of design trainees and management trainees technical. If you see the total vacancies for design trainees it is 60 and management trainees is 40, and these are the category wise vacancies. And here OBC non-creamy layer candidates has to produce OBC non-creamy layer certificates which is not older than 6 months as on date 5/4/2021. And if you see, the candidates from these branches or disciplines can apply. That is aeronautical, electrical, electronics, mechanical, and these are the sub branches also. So means the candidates belonging to these branches can also apply. Suppose if you take mechanical, and industrial engineering, mechanical and production engineering. So these branches students can also apply. And if you take electrical, electronics, electrical instrumentation branches like that, candidates from those branches can also apply. And if you take management training technical, electrical, electronics, mechanical, metallurgy students and computer science students can also apply, like computer science IT students can also apply for management training technical. And if you see, the candidates should possess that means OBC, and general candidates should have 60% of aggregate of marks from aeronautical branch, and SC/ST candidates 50%. That is only for aeronautical branch, and for remaining branches the candidates should have 65%. That is general and OBC candidates, and SC/ST candidates should have 55% of aggregate marks. And if you see the age, upper age limit is 28 years for general candidates and also EWS candidates, and there is a age relaxation of 5 years for SC/ST candidates and 3 years for OBC non-creamy layer candidates. And the mode of payment of application fees through online, and these are the bank details given, and you have to pay the fee before applying the post. And the selection process will be the online test and also interview. There will be 3 parts: part A, part 1, part 2, part 3. Part 1 consists of 20 multiple choice questions on general awareness. Part 2 is 40 questions on English and reasoning, and part 3 is 100 MCQ multiple choice questions from the corresponding or concerned engineering disciplines. So the registration process before applying online, you should have this valid mail ID should contain, and you should have a recent passport size photograph, scanned JPG image of file size 180 kbps, and all educational marks memos for all semesters, and fee paid details. So for more details, please refer this website. I will give this link in description. And 5th April 2021 is the last date for the applying. And here some tentative dates are given here. So as I told, 5th April is the last date, and download of admit cards for online selection test is 15/4/2021, and online test will be 24/4 and 25/4/2021. Results will be 27, and interview call letter will be 4th. So like these dates are given. So for more details, please refer HAL website, and that website link and also this full advertisement link I will give in the description. Thanks for watching. Please like and share this video. Thank you.